Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I included this product links in the description to find the most up-to-date pricing. Stay tuned and let's get into the video. Corsair K95 RGB Platinum. The Corsair K95 RGB Platinum is one of the few keyboards melting the hearts of many users. It boasts customizable RGB lights, detachable wrist rest, and programmable macro keys. The Corsair K95 is another impressive programming and coding keyboard on the market. It boasts a unique build quality and responsiveness that's unbelievable for a keyboard at this price point. This Corsair K95 is a wired-only mechanical keyboard built with solid plastic material and aluminum chassis. The padded wrist rest is another highlighted feature of this keyboard. The wrist rest is detachable and boasts a soft touch finish that makes you feel comfortable during any long workday. You can also detach the wrist rest with ease. Just push it upward and it will pop off. This keyboard's Cherry MX brown switches are one of a kind. The switches' short pre-travel distances make them feel lighter and highly responsive while typing. I have included this product link in the description. You can check out this link for more information and latest price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a like and share with your friends. Until next time, hope you all have a great day.